Okay, this video is to show what the conditions are. And I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of swell, but it's actually not too bad. I'll leave it here for a second. Yeah, I'm trying to think how I can show you if the boat's moving or not. You can probably look. Okay, now let's go inside and see how it looks on Star. Okay, here's Star. The Star is moving quite a bit. Now I'll put the camera right on the dashboard. Well, there's not a lot of movement in the boat. It does seem like it felt better without Star on. I'll show you Star again. It's still doing what it was. And then I'm going to center the stabilizers. Okay, that disabled Star, I assume, although Star is still lit, so I'll turn it off. Now it says at sea. So stabilizers are centered. Now looking out. Yeah, I can't tell which way was better. You know, may just be there's not enough roll that we can tell anything.